is a great little place. Hines Pond, Tracy City. Established 1858. U.S. Highway 41 south. Tracy Gizzard North Trailhead. There's camping out there. Don't know where we'll stay tonight. I'm going to see if I can get maybe Cottonwood Patch, but another place would be good. A place like that, it'd be primitive camping, I'm pretty sure. And that's what Cottonwood Patch is. Taking a long way back from Martinez. Where I can't keep going with that city. Not Martinez. Or is it? Anyway, we're heading 41 south instead of 24. What a nice little place. It'd be nice if we get a railroad right here, wouldn't it? Grundy County High School. I don't think I'd ever heard of Grundy County until now. North 56 to the left, we're headed south. High in the sky. Okay, y'all waiting for me to run the light so you can give me a ticket or what? Fooled you. I thought I was going to, didn't you? If it hadn't been broad daylight, I might have. I mean, where's this sign? Trailheads, Grundy Lakes, Fiery, Grundy South, Denny Cave. There's a lot of stuff to see and do up here, folks. US 41 south. Straight ahead is pretty tempting in itself. Yes, I like this little town. Tourist information. I'll tell you, the more I'm up in Tennessee, the better I like it too. Building for sale or lease. Way too much for me though, it's too big. I'd need a lot of donations, contributions, watches, watch hours, likes, shares. I would need many more than I think I'll ever get to be able to buy that. Oh well. p.m. I guess that means it's 3:27 in Atlanta time. Is that right? Or if we cross back over? 2:28. I don't know. I don't know if we're on Tennessee or Atlanta time. Grundy Lake's historic area. Hiking and picnicking. Need to pull over, let another one by. Christian Calvin Dark. Got 2 or 3 more we need to get let over. And documenting U.S. Highway 41 South while it's still 2-lane. Earth movers show up, cut in the side of these mountains. It'll be 4-lane in 20 years. Mother's Day videos. I'm getting quite a few of them. I hadn't looked at Google Maps. I don't know how far away we are from back down around Trenton or Rising Fawn or Rising Dawn, whichever one it is. I guess it's Rising Dawn, isn't it? Should have pulled over right there. Nice drive. Yeah, should have pulled over there too, shouldn't I? What is this? Or Marion, which was it? Whoa, we almost nailed it. That cardinal bird, didn't we? Says. It looks like we're headed pretty much due south. I think we'll turn a little bit due southeast. We're heading slightly due, we are heading slightly south-southeast, almost due south. Lost one, and we're losing another one. We just got one behind us now. I sure would like to find somebody wanting to get rid of a vehicle that I'm looking for up here real cheap. We just need to get rid of it. living in Cobb County never believe this is US Highway 41 with it. One back now, but he's closed in on us pretty good. I don't know if y'all can see him back there or not. What? Yosemite Sam, back off. White line, come around. You got it. I'm pulled over as far as I can. I'm on the rumble strips. Come around. Come on, mash on the gas. I can't do it for you. If you're gonna come around, you need to mash on the gas. If you're not gonna come around, you need to get off my bumper. You had the perfect chance to come around. That was a perfect chance to pull over and let you get by. I think we still got to go through some 180 turns before we get back down to wherever we're headed. A nice pond out there. I guess that's about big enough to be called a lake. Okay, what do we have up here? Oh, just a fence. I thought it was some type of national park or state park or something. As much as I like Cottonwood Patch, I'd like to find another place to stay too. There's multiple places like that to stay. We need to pull over and check out our U.S. government site, our government, recreation.gov. They've got it better. It's working better than it was a year ago. Let's do the turn, get these off of us. South Trailhead. Yeah, this guy's picked him up a posse. This cowboy's picked him up a posse. So let's get him off of us. I guess we can go out here and check out the trailhead. This is where we're supposed to turn. Sun's right in your eyes. Let's cut it off.